Welcome back to the channel, guys. Before we get into this video, I wanted to let you know we are giving away this 2001 Z06 Corvette, 17,000 miles. You guys know I love Corvettes. We found the perfect one for you. It's also coming with a brand new Procharger kit that just got installed, 18-inch CCW wheels, brand new tires, and $10,000 cash to the lucky winner that wins this car. All you have to do is go to 1320video.com. Links in the description. Every dollar you spend is a chance to win this car.
Find out whether this little light lady G has the power to take down this big old heavy Hellcat.
Walking through the pits here at Sonoma Raceway, I had to come check out this four-door. There's something about how you finish this car that I just love. You're running the 1050 class?
1050 class.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Well, tell me about the family sedan. What do you got going under the hood here?
It's a four-door. I take my family to the groceries in it. No, just kidding.
I've looked inside of here. I know that's a lie. You got nothing but a driver's seat at this point.
Yeah. No, it's just a small little V18, turbocharged. It makes roughly around 500 horsepower. Like you said, runs 10.5. Personal best 10.6.
Nice.
Ran 10.659 the first pass.
So you're right there.
I'm right there, yeah. That was my first pass on this setup, so hopefully I can go a little bit faster today, or, well, not today, tomorrow.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's basically bolt-ons, nothing special. Try to keep it looking as stock as possible.
Yep. What did you change on it from the previous setup?
I had smaller turbo, smaller piping, everything was pretty much more for the street, which I drove around on the weekends every so often, but made it right around 400 horsepower, and it ran 10.6 on that setup, so I'm kind of hoping I can go faster.
So you've had the V8 in here for a while. Just
V18 for
bigger
a while,
turbo
yeah,
now?
bigger turbo, yeah.
Is it a 91?
It's a 91.
91, okay. One of the guy that actually helped me start 1320 Video had a 90 hatch in this color. Shout out to Corey. He had it was a nitrous car, not nearly as fast as this thing. But you're doing it in style, that's for sure.
Yeah, definitely. Get a little trend going. We got, my friends here with another Ford.
Yeah, the white one. I love the white one right here. Beautiful. So what transmission's in here?
GSR transmission. Just factory LSD. Other than that, stock transmission.
So everything's stock 5-speed.
5-speed, stock axles. Motor-wise, it just has pull-on plugs, your basic bolt-ons, piston rods. Nothing crazy on the head, just cam, springs, but nothing fancy. Just your most affordable piece that you can get.
Yeah.
But holds up, does the job, and
nice and simple street setup. I like that.
Nice and simple street setup, and the best part is it's on a sedan, so no one ever expects it.
Hell yeah. And what's your tire choice?
Mickey Thompson's 24.5 by 8, so nothing too big. They're Lenzos, small wheels, nothing crazy.
They're only 8 inches wide?
8 inches wide, yeah.
They look huge on this car.
They do look huge. So.
Well, sweet. Thanks for letting me check it out, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Good luck tomorrow. We're going to go. We got one more qualifier tomorrow.
Yes, one
and
more
then
qualifier,
eliminations.
Yes.
In the 10.5 class.
Yes.
All right. Good luck.
All right,
Thank you. Nice. 1061's gonna be pretty good in this group. I think I heard over the intercom he was number 3 at a 1069 in the 1050 class. You gotta be as close as you can to the 1050 without going quicker, especially eliminations. If you go quicker, you're out. So he's sitting pretty good right now. 1061.
Yeah.
Nice.
1061.
So are you second place qualifier?
Second place qualifier.
That's a good place to be. You just got to keep doing that now.
Yeah. Car's pretty consistent now. Just got to do my job now.
Well, who was number 1? What was he running?
I think it was a 10.5.
Okay.
10.5, yeah.
It's got to be with your 1061 being second.
Yeah, it was like a 1051 or 1052.
So you changed anything for this pass, or just gonna do the same
I upped up
thing?
my rev limiter, so I had it set a little low, so it's cutting out the end. But hopefully this time it does the trick.
Just a few hundreds more.
Yeah.
Nice. Who are you racing against?
I'm not sure yet. I don't know who exactly it is. I just stopped right here because he stopped me, but I'm gonna go line up here pretty soon and find out who it is.
Sweet.
And hopefully I can take him.
All right, man. Good luck first round.
I love this little car.
All right, turns out the 4-door is racing this Hellcat. He didn't do good against the Hellcat yesterday. Didn't get a clean run in, but he is the quickest, well, second quickest to the 10.5. The Hellcat ran a 9.8 yesterday against him. That will not work. He'll get disqualified in this run, so you cannot run quicker than a 10.5 in this class. Let's see how it goes.
Big Hellcat. He's so freaking cool.
Oh, he broke out. They both broke out. The first is worse. The quickest car loses if both of them break out. So now we know they're both sandbagging. The 4-door running a 10.28, I think it was, but the Hellcat running a 10.1, and we know he can run a 9 something. Everyone's playing the sandbagging game in these bracket classes or index classes. Woo! All right, well, he's moving on to second round in the 4-door.
From the 1050 index.
Oh my God, you lucky son of a bitch.
Yeah, I got lucky on that one. Yeah.
So now we know you've been sandbagging this whole time.
Apparently.
Jeez.
I had to let off a little bit at the end too.
Were you letting off the first few passes, or was that
the
all
first
out?
two passes I was going all out. I did up the rev limiter. I think I did
It made that big of a difference?
Yeah, it made that big of a difference.
Wow. All right, well, bump it back down a little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
Because that was not good. Whew, good thing he was quicker.
Yeah.
Both playing that game.
Yeah, both playing.
So now what?
Try to just get the car ready and then just play the game now.
Are you taking it back to where it was, the rev limiter, or are you thinking?
No, not that far back. I'm trying to keep it kind of where it's
let
at,
off
and I'm
a little
gonna try
early?
to control it myself. Yeah. But before this is over, I gotta shout out my boy Nightmare.
Yeah.
Big help. If it wasn't for him helping me stage all the time and actually getting the car here all the time,
Hell yeah.
so he's been a
It
big
always takes a
inspiration.
team.
Yeah, it takes a team. Been a big inspiration to get the car going where it's at now. He's the reason why we're going wanted to go 10s.
Yeah.
So he's a fast guy, especially seeing.
You're almost in the 9s now.
Yeah. So that's my next goal. So it's going 9s.
In a 4-door.
Yeah, in the 4-door.
I love it.
I'll get more people in there next time to show up.
There we go. I like that. We'll keep an eye out for you.
Yeah. All right.
Nice work.
Yeah, thank you.
That was a great time to remind you, if you haven't been to our website in a while, we're actually giving a C5 Corvette away. Every item you buy on the website enters you to win the car. So check it out, 1320video.com. Got a lot of new merch items, so go check it out. Links in the description below, 1320video.com. Played it safe. Thank God. Don't need any more PBs. Nice. You did it again.
On to the next one.
No PBs. That's badass. So?
Car felt good. just took it easy.
I'm glad you slowed down. I was like, please slow down, please slow down.
Oh, that's I had to slow down. Yeah,
He's way behind.
I improved my 60 foot, which is what I want to do. So, you know, the next guy I go up against, hopefully if he is consistent, I kind of know where to be at now. So.
Only a couple more races, I think.
Well, a couple more. I think the next one is semifinals, I think. So.
Hell yeah. You know who you're racing yet? Or you find out up there?
I haven't announced it yet, so
all right.
I'll go
find out soon.
Find out.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Another one.
On to the next one.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Are you going to the final now?
No, actually. So what ended up happening? Somebody got a buy run. So.
Okay, so there's 3 cars left.
Yeah. So there's 3 cars left. So.
It's gotta feel good.
Yes, it feels really good.
Going around.
Take it off, especially against these muscle cars. So.
Yeah, that's badass.
Yeah.
All right, 2 more races, then you got some money.
Hopefully.
Nice work.
Yeah, thank you.
Who's driving this? Are you good to make it the final?
Yeah.
The other car broke?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, no way.
Good luck, man. Good luck, guys.
I told you you'd be in.
Wow. So wild turn of events, the orange Vega broke, which means the Bel Air and Joel here in the 4-door are going to run the final race right now, which is perfect because the track has a 7 p.m. curfew, which is really strange. It's 6:32 right now, so we're gonna find out who wins right now. I mean, he did beat the muscle car, but he lost the race, unfortunately. He's gonna be beating himself up for that. It's so hard with index racing because you never know what the other guy's running. I heard the other car let off probably 150 feet before the finish line, so he was probably running like a 10.0, let out, ran a 10.7, and that just let him fly by. He thought he was winning because he was ahead. I've done that before, it's rough. Dang. One hell of a weekend for Joel though, that was badass. The 4-door threw down here at Sonoma Raceway at RaceWorz, that was sick. Dang, the mind games in the index class are unreal. You never know what you're running up against. He let out probably 150 feet early, I think. Something like that. Dang.
I was trying to see what I could do, but it was close, 10:44. I was like, if I would have held off a little bit more.
You had a hell of a weekend.
Yeah.
That's for sure. The 4-door showed people what's up.
Yeah. I was hoping I could do one more pass.
Yeah, they got that curfew.
I know. I was going to shoot for that 9. I was going to give it all I got, but...
All good. Well, you got to be happy. You ran more than most people this weekend.
Yeah. I'm really happy, you know. I went from...
Hang on. Maybe?
We deal with great old men, so sorry.
All the guys cleaned up.
Still got 5 minutes. Can I get one more car? Can we go at the same time? No.
I tried, my friend. I tried.
Well, that's gonna do it for this video. Joel had a lot of fun in the 4-door, that's for sure. And shout out to Corey Pikett. He had the baby blue hatch, same color, back when we first started 1320 video in 2013. We were out on the streets terrorizing cars with a little nitrous Civic hatch, same color as that. And maybe that's why I keep staring at this thing and like it so much. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe for more 1320 videos, and we'll catch you next time.